you want to listen, you want to pay attention, you want to read, right? It is called copywriting. On this video, I will be sharing with you how I make $1,000 on a monthly basis using Facebook advertising. Yes, guys, if you have Facebook right now on your phone, then making money using Facebook ads is one thing you want to get started with, and that is what I'll be sharing with you so that you also can very well know what to do and how to get started with this. Now, without further ado, my name is Grace. I want to say welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are jumping on my video, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. My name is Grace, and on this channel I share everything about making money, starting business and growing your business, getting customers and living your best life ever. If that is what you are interested in, then you want to stick around and join the family by subscribing and setting notification buttons on, so that whenever I put out a video like this, you will be the first to get notified, and so you can watch and come and implement. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get into it already. How you can very well make money on a monthly basis just like I do using Facebook advertising. So the one thing you want to understand first is that Facebook advertising is one thing that you can do using Facebook. So Facebook is a meta app, right, that helps you to actually reach people on the meta app using the ads. So if you have a Facebook profile and you have a Facebook page, you can begin to run Facebook ads on that page. Yes, intentional mode, right? You can run your ads using the profile, but the best way for you to actually run Facebook ads is for you to use your page. So if you don't have a page, you want to go right now and open your Facebook page. It's very simple for you to do. Alright, having opened your Facebook page, another thing you want to get started with is for you to go right now to Ads Manager, right? So on Ads Manager, you will be able to run ads from that part, right? So you want to set it up, and when you get to Ads Manager, it's going to ask you, some goals, right? What is the goal for the Facebook ads that you want to run, right? What is the goal for the Facebook ads that you want to run? So do you want to sell a product, which is like sales, conversion? Do you want to get leads generation? Do you want to, people to opt into something? So you must have a goal when it comes to you running Facebook advertising. So the one thing you want to know first is that what is the goal you want to achieve when it comes to Facebook ads, right? Do you want people to buy a particular thing? That is where you go for conversion of sales, right? Do you want people to send you message? Do you want people to sign up for a particular training? Do you want people to reach out to you on WhatsApp? What is the goal that you want to achieve on using Facebook ads, right? So that's the one thing you want to get clear on. Another thing you want to get clear on before you get started with the Facebook ads is who are the people that you would need to target. Guys, the success of any Facebook ads is your target. If you're able to target the right set of people at the right time with the right content, then you will be making the kind of money that you want to make in 30 days. Yes, guys, so you want to know your target audience, who are the people that will need that thing that you want to promote using Facebook ads, and what is the content, right, that you will use to reach out to these people. All right, what is the content, what is the message you want these people to see when you begin to run your Facebook ads, right? So what is the message you want them to see? What is the message that will get them to pay attention to what you are about to tell them? So you want to create something that is attention grabbing, right? You want to create something that is attention grabbing, something that is catchy enough, right, to that audience that you are looking at getting. So let's say, for instance, you are a business owner or you sell a health product. For instance, let's say you sell a product that deals with, sunburn, right? That's a health product. So you want to reach out to people that suffer sunburn. So who are the people that suffers from sunburn? So this can be women and this can be men, right? At what particular age are these people, right? You need to be clear like that, because on your Facebook ads, these are the things that you will be targeting. What age do they fall into? Where are their locations? And that is why when I talk of getting customers, the first thing I always talk about is for you to be clear on who exactly you are looking at getting. Because if you exactly know who you want to get, running Facebook ads will be like, an easy peasy for you, right? Because you already know who the product is for, you already know the age bracket of these people, you already know how much these people are aiming and how much you can price that product so that they would want to buy, right? So the messaging is very, very important. What is the message you're going to use to reach out to these people? But let me check that in. Light down off. So what is the message you are going to use to reach out to these people so that you can get their attention? So we are talking about sunburn right now. So the one message you want to do is, if you have a sunburn, then you want to wait and read this right now, or this is the reason why you have sunburn. Now you can see with this message, it gets anybody that sees that headline to want to listen. By the time I tell you this is the reason why you have that sunburn, you want to listen, you want to pay attention, you want to read, right? It is called copywriting. So you want to read that copy to actually know why you have a sunburn. So I will now give you reasons on why you have a sunburn, right, in my messaging. And after creating that message, I will tell you what you need to do next. So it can be buy this product to actually solve it, or it can be send me a message on WhatsApp using this link below, and you will get more details on how to actually overcome that sunburn or take out sunburn from your face. Now, do you understand what I'm trying to say? So this is how you actually use Facebook ads to make money for yourself. So if you say you want to sell a product, for instance, right, make sure your messaging is right. Make sure you have a good targeting. The people that suffer sunburn, right? Women, men, what age, what are the things they do, what are the things they like. This determines your target audience, right? So you target the right set of people, you target the right message with them, right? Send them the right message, target the right set of people, give them a link, a reason, tell them what to do next. After you have told them the reason why they are suffering from sunburn, tell them what to do next. So it can be something like, send me a message on WhatsApp, click this link to get this product, right? Sign up for a particular training, sign up for something. Make sure there is a call to action on what you want them to do next. Now, for eventually you choose the messaging, right? This is one of the things that I love to do. I love to use messaging, even if I want to sell, right? So I tell them to come to me on WhatsApp or sign up for a particular thing. So once they reach out to me on WhatsApp, I now have their contacts. All right, I now have their contact, so that I will be able to reach out to them thereon. So even if these people that reach out to me did not buy my product, I can follow up on them later on, right? So when they come on WhatsApp, one thing you want to do is to tell them to actually save your contacts. Okay, save your contacts. You want to tell them to make sure they are always viewing your status. That is another way for you to actually increase your status view. So make sure you tell them they should always, increase, watch out for your status, save your number before you actually give them, if you want them to buy the product, you can then tell them, okay, this is the product that will help you take out the sunburn, or this is the training that you need to get for you to learn what you need to do to take out the sunburn, right? So this is what you do, and as you do this, you follow up on them. As many people that reach out to you, you continue to actually nurture them to know more about the sunburn. Now, one thing you need to understand when it comes to Facebook ads is that it takes you to a lot of people, and it is very, very possible that the people you are reaching out to don't know you at all. They have not seen you before, right? So because they have not seen you before, you will not expect them to buy from you immediately. All right, you will not expect them to buy from you immediately, and that is where nurturing comes to play. So you want to nurture them, you want to feed them, right, on a daily basis. Give them food, let them know about the product or what you're trying to sell to them, and as you do this on a daily basis, they begin to know you, like you, and trust you, and they would want to buy. So this is something that I do on a daily basis, and in 30 days I was able to make $1,000. Yes guys, you can convert that to your own currency to know how much that is. Now if you're looking at learning how to run profitable Facebook ads, then you want to join my Facebook masterclass, right? My Facebook ads masterclass blueprint. You want to join that class to learn how to in practical do all of what I just talked about and see the results you will be getting. So if you're a business owner, you're an affiliate marketer, you have something you want people to buy, or you have something you want people to know about, you can actually reach a lot of people using Facebook advertising. That is one way for you to get more customers to yourself and also increase your contacts, right? Because you increase your contact, you will not even need to run Facebook ads again. Imagine getting 100 people on a daily basis, and in 30 days that is like 30,000 people. If you have 30,000 people on a WhatsApp group, definitely you don't need to run Facebook ads again for some time, because you can continue to advertise to those people again and again using different products, and that way you begin to make money for yourself, and you can also do this for other people, right? So this is one of the ways I use Facebook ads to actually make money for myself, to sell my own product and to sell other people's product. You also can do same if you learn how to run profitable Facebook ads by joining the Facebook ads masterclass right now. Click the link beneath the description of this video and join the class, and I will see you right there. Have a wonderful time. If you have any questions, put it in the comment and let me know what you have learned in this video and what you will be doing going forward. Bye.